Big mountain challenge. First, Tom is walking in the forest on a sunny day. He's feeling happy and excited because he wants to explore something new. Soon, he sees a tall mountain in front of him. Then, he decides to climb the mountain. However, after a short time, he feels tired and a little scared. The path is steep, and he is not sure if he can reach the top. After that, Tom starts thinking carefully. He's climbing slowly, step by step. He's trying his best and not giving up. He's focusing and continuing, even when it is difficult. Finally, he reaches the top of the mountain. He's feeling proud and happy because he solved the problem. He's looking at the beautiful view and smiling.
Smiling, yeah. Is a word focusing and continuing.
Focusing and continuing.
Focusing.
Focusing.
Well, yes, very good. This is perfect. Good. Okay, now let me ask some questions about. So, what happens first?
Tom is walking in the forest.
Okay, first happen is this. For Tom is walking in the forest and
he is feeling happy and excited.
yeah, he feel like that. But first, what happened? We just check. First, he is walking right in the forest.
Yes.
Okay. The
And he
next.
sees a tall mountain in front of him.
Very good, very nice. Yeah. The next happen is he sees a tall mountain in front of him. Very good. So, what is the problem?
The problem when he decides to climb the mountain.
Okay, we check. Then he decided to climb the mountain. After that, after a short time, he feels tired and little scared, right?
Yes.
So, what happened? What is the problem of him? Not climbing. He still will climb, yes. But what is the problem of him? What happened to him?
He feels tired and a little scared.
So he is not sure he can reach out the top, right?
Yes.
Yeah. It's here. He is not sure if he can reach the top because he feels tired and scared. Okay, what does he do?
He starts thinking carefully and he is climbing slowly, step by step, not giving up.
Yeah, this is perfect. This is 100% correct answer. Proud of you. Very good. And what happens finally?
Tom reaches the top of the mountain and he is looking at the beautiful view and smiling.
Yeah, because he succeeds. Because he succeeds, he feels so happy, right?
Yes.
Very good.